Doc, oh my gosh. I have so much anxiety. How can Chinese medicine help with this? Oh, this is a very common thing I'm hearing now. But what's going on? What happened this week? Well, there are a lot of things. My kids are going back to school. I have to go back to work. I just started grad school and so much stuff on my plate. Wow, that is certainly a lot on your plate, but you're doing a great job handling everything. Here are some of my suggestions. So you can use ear seeds. They can put on ear shen men, press them down for 10-15 seconds if you're feeling really anxious. The Qigong therapy I would recommend is heart Qigong, really great to do morning and at night. And then the Chinese Herbal therapy, the Ganmao Da Zao Tang is great for someone that's overly anxious and stressed. Or you can get some chamomile and rose tea to help wind you down at night. Whew, thanks. That's actually helpful to have some strategies in place. But how often should I do the Qigong? So with the heart Qigong, you can do it anytime during the day, maybe in the morning or night. If you're having more issues with sleeping, try to do it right before you go to bed. Okay, now with the herbs, how often should I take those? Now with the herbs, since we're doing a pill form, you can take them 2 to 3 times a day, and each dosage is about 3 to 6 pills per time. And since they're food grade, they're relatively safe. That sounds great. So when's the next time I should follow up with you then? Let's follow up in a week to see how you're doing.